Introduction. Overview of the importance of removing hard inquiries from your credit report. Explanation of the misconceptions around hard inquiries and credit repair. Goal: teach viewers how to remove hard inquiries for free and understand their impact on credit scores. The misconception of hard inquiries. Common myths about the impact of hard inquiries on credit scores. Explanation of why adding new credit accounts during credit repair can be harmful. Emphasis on the importance of managing credit responsibly and not applying for new credit unnecessarily. Impact of hard inquiries on your credit score. Hard inquiries do not significantly lower your credit score but can make you look desperate to lenders. Explanation of how adding new trade lines or credit cards lowers your average age of credit, affecting your score. Highlighting the importance of building a relationship with a credit union for better credit card options. When to add new credit. Only add new credit if you have no positive accounts and your profile is built entirely on negative items. Importance of building positive credit with a few strategic credit cards or installment loans if necessary. Step-by-step process to remove hard inquiries. Step 1. Contact credit bureaus directly. Call Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion directly instead of sending dispute letters. Each bureau has different customer service quality. Experian is usually the most helpful, while TransUnion and Equifax can be more difficult. Provide the phone numbers for the credit bureaus and tips on when to call for the best results. Step 2. Speak to the fraud department. Request to speak to the fraud department for assistance in removing unauthorized hard inquiries. Approach the call with kindness and patience to get the best results. How to interact with customer service representatives effectively, using a friendly and engaging tone. Step 3. Provide inquiry details. Have a list of the hard inquiries with the name of the creditor and the date for each bureau. The representative may dispute the inquiries on your behalf, and they may be removed immediately or within a short time frame. Step 4. Repeat if necessary. If the representative is unhelpful, hang up and call back to speak with another person. Persistence is key. It may take multiple calls to get the desired outcome. Key tips for effective communication with credit bureaus. Avoid calling during high traffic times like first thing in the morning or right before lunch. Best time to call is between 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. when representatives are more relaxed. Be respectful and avoid arguing or showing frustration. It will improve your chances of success. Special considerations when removing hard inquiries. Never dispute inquiries tied to open or closed accounts as it could lead to account closures or issues with the lender. Explanation of the risks associated with disputing business credit card inquiries. Specific guidance on disputing inquiries from card dealerships and how to protect yourself from excessive inquiries. Pre-approval tips to avoid hard inquiries. Utilize pre-approval offers for auto loans and credit cards to minimize hard inquiries. Importance of seeking pre-approval online to avoid multiple inquiries from dealerships or creditors. How hard inquiries are counted in your credit score. FICO score models and how they evaluate inquiries within a 12-month period. Explanation of the 30-day and 45-day rules for auto, mortgage, and student loan inquiries, which allow multiple inquiries to count as one. Clarification that multiple hard inquiries within these categories won't heavily impact the credit score. Risks and nuances of disputing hard inquiries. Potential backfire of disputing legitimate inquiries. Risks associated with disputing inquiries related to recent approvals, especially with business credit cards. Conclusion. Recap of the methods to remove hard inquiries quickly and for free. Emphasis on patience, kindness, and persistence when dealing with credit bureaus. Encouragement to stay informed and cautious about managing inquiries and credit during the repair process.